In my pot, I have 4 to 6 cups of spring water. I also have 1 ounce packet of chanterelle mushrooms, 1 ounce packet of porcini mushrooms, and I've diced up 1 portobello cap, 1 white onion, half of a green and a red bell pepper, and I threw in about 2 to 3 bay leaves and about 1 tablespoon of sea salt. I've let that boil and cook down for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, stirring occasionally. You don't want to add too many seasonings to this because keep in mind that you will be using this stock as a base and adding it to other recipes along with other spices. So I prefer to keep it basic. After about 45 minutes to an hour, your liquid will reduce by half and it will look something like this. At this point, you want to go ahead and let it cool slightly, then pour it into a mason jar. You want to strain it into a mason jar, and this will keep in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 weeks. This is what it looks like after all of the veggies have been strained, but I'm going to show you another recipe, so be sure to keep your leftover veggies. So I've added my leftover veggies back to my pot along with about 1 to 2 cups of spring water, and I'm also adding in 1/4 cup of Brazil nut milk. You can also use hemp seed milk as well. It's optional. You can completely omit this step altogether and just add a little more water. I'm going to go ahead and give this a stir and let this cook for about 5 minutes, and then add the mixture to a blender along with 1 tablespoon of Roma tomato powder, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of dried onions, and 1 tablespoon of dried bell peppers. You want to blend that together, add that back to your pot, and let that cook down for about 5 minutes. And you can use this as a liquid vegetable bouillon base. You add 1 to 2 tablespoons to any recipe of your choice, and it will add lots of flavor. So there you have it.